So if you've been following the Track Beast universe, you know that the Track Beast Racing League is coming back soon. And yes, for the 12 cars that join the league, for 12 of them, they get there by racing. But there are always 4 that are the Seleção. Those are the ones selected. I haven't even opened them up before. Today, we'll be revealing the Seleção. Quick and Silk from DC's Justice League. Number 6 of 7. Alright, the reason for choosing this car is I saw it race on one of my fellow Hot Wheels racing YouTubers, one of their channels. I saw this car race and dominate Quick and Silk. The next car selected, the Corvette CR7. And this one is best for the track. Why was this car selected? When I bought it in the store, I was like, this car's gonna race in the Track Beast Racing League. So that's why it's a part of the league now. I knew it would either make it in season 3 or season 4. I was even considering it for season 2, but you'll see it in season 3. I'm really excited for this car to race. Car number 3, the McLaren P1. Everyone wants to see a McLaren race, and I feel like this car is one of those cars that can make the tournament pop. It can be one of those cars that, you know, I don't think this car can win it all, I'm not gonna lie, but I think this car can finish top 4 a lot, be kind of like the Ford Focus RS, and just be one of those cars that, you know, is a good staple and good for the tournament. And finally, from the Peanuts Hot Wheels collection, my boy, Franklin and Chicane. This car, I would have loved to have this car in season 1 so that it could pull out in this. Team 68 is finally here, and yeah, hey, I expect a lot from this car. Season 3, I expect this car to finish overall 1, 2, or 3. 1, 2, or 3 or bust. So these are the 4 cars. Let's go ahead and open them up. Alright, there you have it, folks. These are the Seleção. These are the Selects. Man, we've got some good cars here. We've got some good cars. We've got Quick and Silk, we have the Corvette, we have Chicane, and we have the McLaren P1. Man, this is exciting. Thank you for taking a look at the Seleção. Remember, the Track Beast Racing League is coming soon. Here are some of the cars. Everyone, like and subscribe. And don't forget, carry on.